In this video, we will explore 6 drawing report Lisp routines. How you can take your complete drawing report with this powerful Lisp routine. You are going to save a lot of time with this powerful tool in AutoCAD. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Plot report. This multiple plot we have, irregular shape. It can be thousands of plot, okay, no problem. Any shape, arc, p-line, ellipse, it can be any shape, okay. This multiple plots we have, we will take complete report in one time, okay. Let this here, plot report, and just select all the plot, okay, and hit enter. Now you see here, you are getting each vertices, its meter, length, and total plot and plot serial number in square meter. If you see here, each and every point, whether arc, circle, line, p-line, all in one time, not limited to this. Just click here. Now you see here, you are getting complete plot report, plot serial number, each plot area in square meter, and each plot total length. And below, you are getting total plots, total area, and total length. All the process you are getting in one time. So this way you can take your thousands of plots in one time, complete report, whether community development layout or it can be anything. This is the fastest way and only way with this powerful Lisp routine. Number 2, area report. Okay, it can be block, okay. It can be close joint p-line. And you want to take it out complete area report, okay, not plot report. Let this area report, just select all and hit enter. See, same as it is, you are getting serial number. This is not plot, this is your area. Each block you are getting serial number, total entity area in serial number, area in square meter, and total length. Each area 36 you are getting, total area this much, and length for each, and total also. This is the powerful way to extract complete area with serial number, each in square meter, and each vertices its running meter also. Of course, you can customize this Lisp color, text height, layer name, anything you want. Number 3, block report. This entire drawing plan we have, okay, we want to extract block reporting, which is BLB, okay. Select all and click here. See what you are getting. Total block report, block name, quantity, and bottom you are getting total block. How much? Total block in this drawing 154. So this is the only way and fastest way to extract your block report in just one time. Number 4, geometry report. How much line, P-line, SP-line, circle, ellipse you have in your drawing. You want to extract complete report, okay? But yes, in one time. For that, let this LRE, okay, and just select entire entity, okay? And hit enter. And click here. Geometry report, entity type, quantity. Circle, ellipse, line, polyline, arc, SP-line. You are getting total quantity and grand total also. This way you can take your complete geometry report in just one time. Number 5, string report. We want to collect complete string in one time in complete table. Let this STRR. Just select your entire drawing, okay? So it will filter only text and enter and click here. See, you are getting detailed string report, string content and quantity, and here you are getting total string. So similar quantity, string content and total you are getting in just one time. Number 6, layer objects report. You have made complete professional drawing as per layer, okay? Each object, everything as per layer, and you want to extract how many object made as per particular layer, okay? Let this LOC and just select your entire drawing and hit enter and click here. You are getting layer object reports, layer name, count, everything in just one time. So as per particular layer, how much object you have made, you are getting all in one time, complete report if you see here, and total object you are getting this much. This way you can take your entire report for your layer based object. Okay, I want to combine the 6 Lisp routine in one DCL panel. Let this drawing report here, okay. I will type reports. So let this very carefully what you are getting here. For example, let this block report. Select all and take your block. Entity report. Let this report. And you are getting geometry object. Geometry report. Select all and enter and click here. We have combined this 6 Lisp routine in one complete box. Let this report. And you want to take plot report, click plot button and take here. So you do not need to memorize each command and you do not require to put separate Lisp. This one main Lisp provide you complete report for your drawing. So each 6 Lisp we have combined here. If you see here, string report, area report, block report, layer report, geometry, plot, anything. Your complete Lisp routine at one place in one box, complete system. Don't forget to take this powerful Lisp routine and introduce your work. Saving time in AutoCAD is not easy game. Must explore more than 400 plus advanced automation tasks. You will get at one place. Must check out the link below. If you want me to explore any other topic, must leave your comment. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.